Welcome back to Glory Bound Outdoors, guys. Man, I am super excited about this episode because we just hit over 100 subscribers, believe it or not. Man, I didn't think 100 people even care what I do because I'm just not really all that interesting. Uh, some people say I'm funny, but I usually I play off other people. Man, when I'm by myself, I'm pretty quiet guy. But anyway, man, I just want to tell you how much I appreciate you guys coming along and subscribing, and I'm excited because I'm gonna do a little giveaway. It's not gonna be a whole lot of stuff. I mean, it's just gonna be a few things. Uh, Obviously, there's gonna be some 5-inch Senkos in there. I just love those, and I'm gonna have a few different colors of those and some different kinds of swim baits and maybe some chatter baits and things like that. But it's gonna be a little giveaway just to show my appreciation for y'all. Man, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna announce the winner on my next video. I will probably have it up sometime next week. But if you already hit like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, you're gonna know when that comes up anyway. But all you have to do to enter is just hit subscribe, post a comment down at the bottom, and then whenever I got a winner picked out, we'll announce it on the video. So I'm going to use a random winner app for that. So, but anyway, another thing I wanted to go over is some of you are wondering why in the world am I making these silly videos. You know, I'm middle aged and I'm not very interesting, but I like to have fun and I love the outdoors, and man, I'm just crazy about God's nature and just being outside. So I thought, man, what a better way to leave something for my children than to have it out on video, and that way they can see their old dad, not in his prime obviously, but to see me healthy and out and enjoying myself and doing things, and of course. You've seen my son Ethan on there on some of my videos, and I'm hoping to get my son Jacob involved. He's off at Diesel Mechanic School right now. He's getting his license for that. But anyway, what inspired me to do it is my father. He passed away about 7 years ago, and he was like the ultimate outdoorsman. I mean, he taught me so many things. I mean, man, he loved to hunt and fish, anything and everything. I mean, even more than me, I think. When he was younger, I mean, I don't care if it's quail or ducks or mule deer or elk or after he was after bass or catfish or trout. I don't care what it was. He was always doing something outside, and unfortunately, after he passed away, I realized I don't have a single video of him. I don't have any audio of him, and all I have is some pictures. And the pictures are great. But I thought, man, what I wouldn't give to have a camera strapped to my dad doing things he did. I mean, he's shooting Boone and Crockett type mule deer and just catching gobs and gobs of fish, and I was like, man, I missed out. I wish I'd had that, something like that from my dad, but anyway, and also wearing the camera kind of helps me, feel like there's somebody else there. I fish a lot by myself and hunt a lot by myself sometimes, and it's kind of cool to, have the camera there. It's almost like talking to a buddy. Some people that are over there fishing probably think I'm nuts, but I don't care. I mean, I am kind of nuts. So, but anyway, another thing is I figured if I'm going to do this thing, let's make sure I give glory to God. So that's why I called it Glory Bound Outdoors, because I believe we're all glory bound if we want to be. I believe I'm glory bound through the sacrifice of Jesus Christ, and I believe that you can be too. So anyway, I just wanted to give that glory to him. He's the reason why I get up in the morning and have the abilities that I have and have the monies that I have to go out and do this stuff. And he created all this stuff. So I just want to give the praise to him. So, but anyway, guys, again, just hit subscribe, like, whatever. Make a, leave a comment, because the comment is really what's going to get you into the drawing. So, well, like I say, I'll try to get that done as soon as possible. Probably this next week, and then we'll announce a winner. But anyway, I just thank you again for all your support, man. God bless you guys, and get ready for a video. Here it comes. I hope you like it. Well, this is looking pretty scummy in here, but it's just foam from that from the waterfalls up there from the dam. I just caught a pretty nice fish up there, but there was another gentleman already fishing there, and I felt bad about crowding him, so I just came down here, see if we can catch some of them down here in this slack water moving around. Uh-oh, I'm already getting bites on that one. You get taps right there, probably a little fish. I got it, whatever it was. Maybe a little bass. Big old green sunfish. Probably gonna be several of these in here, I imagine. Big old green sunfish, pretty too. Thank you, sir. Let's see. Imagine there's gonna be a lot of fish stacked up right here because of all the stuff that's coming down from that dam. Whether they're bass, I don't know. I think there's going to be a bunch of panfish and stuff down in here. Let's see what's. Whoa! Careful, careful. See if there's anything in here. Fish on right there. Saw him swirl on that. Oh, good gravy. That's a good fish. Boy, he is dug down that stuff. Hope I can get him up here. He's not super big, but got 5 pounds of junk on him. Look at all that stuff hanging off that fish. Pound, 1 pound fish, 2 pounds of weeds. Let's see. There we go. Pretty decent little fish. Nice. That could have been a lot worse. up. Garbage clobber. If it's gonna be any good or not. Felt like a fish on there. Yeah. Little baby. Little baby bass. There we go. Thank you, buddy. Fish on there. As soon as he hit the water, he had it. Come on, dude. So much trash. I may not even have him anymore. I don't know. Yeah, I think I got him, but man. The amount of trash is unreal. Come on, baby. Oh, no wonder. That's pretty good. Pretty good bass. I knew he was heavy, but I thought a lot of that would be the weight of the trash. It was, but it's a pretty decent bass. Not bad at all. Tell you what, I don't know what I'd do without these little pliers here. Yeah, that's a pretty good little bass. Thank you, buddy. Bad. And I think there's a fish on it. In fact, I know there's a fish on it. Oh, nice one. Did y'all see him jump out of the water? Whoa. Because I'm just dragging him out. I'm not letting him get in those weeds. Because once he gets in those weeds, man, it just becomes a real fight. Just like right now. Yeah. There he is. Good gravy. These fish got some power. They are eating good and feeling good. There we go. Nice fat belly on that fish. Thank you for the show, man. I like that. He wasn't coming off. I couldn't even barely get the hook out of him. Wow, another worm. I'm fixing to run out of these worms. I think I've got one or two left. That's it. using these Yum Dingers, black with blue flake, but I do have a watermelon red green one in there. I'm not using it for nothing right now. Another fish on. Man, it is a struggle getting them out of this junk. Come on, baby. Come on. Man, fighting these weeds is something else, man. Well, it might be, but a lot of it is just a lot of junk. This looks like a pretty decent one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good fish. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, man, look at all that junk. Why don't you sit right here, man? I've caught like 3. Well, I've caught 3 right here. Yeah, no, man. In fact, I'm throwing black and blue worm just like that.
I was scared to throw. That's what I have some trick worms that are black and blue, and I was like, I don't know.
Yeah, black and blue worm. I'm killing them in here. Look at the belly on that fish.
That is a nice one.
Let's see. If you don't mind, I'm gonna let you take a picture.
Yep, I got you.
Take a picture of you so my wife doesn't say, well, who are you fishing with? Because she knows I always fish alone.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay. Yep, never mind.
I got you.
Okay.
Alright.
All right, cool. Thanks, man. I'm telling you, man, they're in here pretty thick. I've caught 3 in the last probably 30 minutes.
I was just letting it float there.
Is that what you're throwing, a worm?
I'm throwing a red fluke.
Oh yeah, fluke's good. Just a weightless fluke.
That's my go-to bait.
Yeah, I love a fluke. I don't know how much you think that fish weighs. Feel that dude, because he's heavier than he.
That's about 3.5, 4.
Okay.
Because I caught some 4.
Yeah. I didn't bring my scale with me, so. All right, bud. Good fish, man. Now the other ones hadn't been that big. Well, the other one was probably 2 pounds. All right. There's another one right there. What's your name, bud?
Cody.
Cody?
Yep.
All right, I just met Cody here. Come down here, and I told him that he needs to put a line in right here, and he's already caught 2 bass since he's been here. So we're doing pretty good in here. Something about this, like I say, something about this spot. They seem to. I catch them right in here, and I catch them in that first spot. As soon as you get down to the.
Where it was matted at?
Yeah.
Yeah, I caught another one right down the my top water.
Yeah. I've tried throwing that whopper plopper today, and I haven't got any action on it.
I was throwing a.
All right.
We'll go right over here, see if we can't get him some fish right over here. Bound to be quite a few fish in here. Let this worm just kind of float around with that current. Give her a pop every once in a while. There we go. A good one, yeah. Good fish. Oh! Oh man, that's a real good bass. Let's see if I can get him up here. Not breaking my pole. There we go. Whew. Calm down. Calm down. Oh yeah. He's not as big as that first one I caught in here, but he's alright. Nice fish. Let's see if he can make it dismount. Well guys, thank you for coming along. We had a good time in here. I just met Cody. Man, great guy. He was fishing down here and we were catching a few, and then I went down there and caught some and called him over, and he caught a few in there, and we're just having a good time out here. So, but just a beautiful place, man. I tell you, we've had so much rain. Everything is so green. There's wildlife everywhere, and man, it's just you just can't beat it. So, but anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. God bless, and we'll see you next time on Glory Bound Outdoors.